If you're new to Google Drive, here's a simple beginner's guide to get you started. First of all, Google Drive is a cloud storage service that lets you save files online and access from any device. All you need is a Google account. To begin, open the Google Drive app on your phone or go to drive.google.com in your browser. Then, sign in with your Google account. Now, to upload files, click on the plus icon and then choose File Upload. After that, select a file you want to upload and then click on Open. It will automatically save to your drive. Now, to organize your files, you can create folders by tapping on the plus icon once again and then click on New Folder. Now, give it a name and move your files inside to keep things neat. Now, to share files, just tap on any files and then select Share. After that, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, or you can also copy the link and set permissions to restricted or anyone with the link. And finally, you can install the Google Drive app on all your devices so your files stay synced and accessible anywhere. And that's all. With these basics, you're ready to start using Google Drive like a pro. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.